Welcome to Learn English with Bhavneet Kaur. In today's lesson, we will learn English through something very special, the Diwali festival. About 1 month before Diwali, something magical begins. There is a special feeling in the air, the festive vibes. We start cleaning our homes, dusting, washing, polishing, and then comes the fun part decorating. Lights, colors, diyas, and beautiful rangoli brighten every corner. This is how many of us begin celebrating Diwali. So listen carefully, learn new words, and enjoy the festive mood with me. About 1 month before Diwali, something special starts happening. There is a feeling in the air, the festive vibes. At home, we begin by cleaning everything, every corner of the house. It is not just cleaning, it is like preparing our hearts and homes for something joyful. We dust, wash, polish, and then comes the fun part decorations. We buy decorative pieces, lights, wall hangings, even tiny bells and colorful torrents. The markets look so alive. Everything shines and so do our faces. The markets look so alive. Everything shines and so do our faces. Dhanteras, the auspicious start. A few days before Diwali, we celebrate Dhanteras. It is considered very lucky to buy gold, silver, or even kitchen items on this day. So, we usually buy a small coin or some new utensils. It is a tradition and it brings happiness. The joy of shopping for Diwali is never complete. Seriously, even till the last day, we feel like something is still left. We buy new clothes for everyone, kids, parents, grandparents. Everyone is excited. Shops are full of colorful kurtas, saris, bangles, and more. The whole city looks like it is getting ready for a big wedding. Sweet smells and happy hearts. 1 or 2 days before Diwali, we start buying and making sweets. The house smells like heaven of gulab jamun, laddus, burfi, and namkeen. We are all so excited. The fridge is full, and so are hearts. Decorating the house with lights and diyas. The house becomes a fairyland. We put up fairy lights on windows, light diyas and candles outside the house. And you know what? Every evening before Diwali, people walk around just to enjoy the lights in their neighborhood. It is like a peaceful, glowing dream. And yes, Rangoli. Girls in the family start designing beautiful patterns at the door. Flowers, colors, sparkles, everything comes together. Diwali day, full of love and light. On Diwali morning, I wake up early, take a bath, and offer prayers. There is a special peace in the air. Then I go to help my mother prepare Diwali breakfast. Something extra delicious. We all sit together, laugh, eat, and start the day with love. After breakfast, I make my rangoli, this time even more colorful. Everyone appreciates it. Evening, a time for prayers and peace. In the evening, we go to the Gurdwara Sahib and listen to Kirtan. Then we return home for Lakshmi Puja. All family members sit together. We light diyas, offer prayers, and thank the universe for all the blessings in our life. Night, crackers, food, and family fun. After dinner, it is time for crackers. We go outside to burst colorful fireworks. sparklers, chakris, and anars, and the sky turns into a beautiful painting. Then we come back inside, sit together, and talk for hours. It is night of happiness, light, and togetherness. Diwali, a festival of family, faith, and fun. In India, Diwali is not just a festival, it is a feeling. People wear new clothes, visit relatives, give gifts, and spread smiles everywhere. Even 2 weeks before Diwali, relatives start visiting. We exchange gifts and sweets, and our homes fill with laughter. That's why Diwali feels so special. It brings everyone together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.